Hello everyone, in this video we are going to solve a first order system problem. The question is asking us which system responds faster, system A or system B. The first step is to determine the transfer function. Once we have the transfer function, then we can find the time constant and then we can comment on the speed of our system, whether the system responds fast or slow. So to find the transfer function, let's look at our circuit. We can use the Kirchhoff's law, the current law. I'm going to call this node 1. I'm going to use KCL for node 1. KCL is Kirchhoff's current law, which indicates the current in is the same as current out. So here we have a current in, call it I1, would be the same as I2. So I1 equals I2. If I want to find a current here, I know this point I have V0 and I have VI. Then I have the resistance or impedance R. So VI minus V0 over R will give me current 1. And for current 2, I have V0 again, and then here is the ground, is 0. So V0 minus 0. And the impedance that I have here is 1 over CS. So if I rearrange, I will have VI minus V0. I have RCS V0. Rearrange it further. VI, move everything to one side, would be 1 plus RCS V0. The transfer function is the output over input. For us, the output is V0 and the input is VI. This is what we put into the system and this is what we get out. Therefore, it would be 1 plus RCS. So this is a typical example of first order system. If I compare it with the standard form of first order system, it would be A1 plus tau S. That means that RC here for me is tau. So my time constant would be RC. If we go up now and look at the values, we have RC 10 and 0.2. So that means that the tau, which is RC, is 2 here for me. And here tau, again R times C would be 3. So which system is faster? This value is smaller, so system A is faster because time constant determines how fast we reach the steady state. 1 time constant means after 2 seconds here, and the unit would be second. After 2 seconds, we reach 63% of the steady state. And after 8 seconds, which is 4 time constant, we reach 98% of the steady state response. So based on our transfer function, based on our time constants, we know system A responds faster.